Good day, everyone. I am Rachel Taruha, and I have been assigned to discuss about the importance of curriculum planning. So the importance of curriculum planning is the process of organizing what students need to learn, how they will learn it, and how teachers will assess their learning. It helps teachers prepare lessons and activities that meet the learning goals. So curriculum planning is important because it guides teachers on what to teach, when to teach it, and how to teach it. If the lessons are well planned, teaching becomes more organized and students can understand the lessons more easily. It helps also the teachers achieve the learning objectives. So I have here 5 why is curriculum planning is important. First, provides clear learning goals. So students know what they are expected to learn. So this means teachers should set clear learning goals before teaching. So when the goals are clear, students know what they need to learn and the lessons becomes easier to understand. It also helps teachers stay focused and achieve the lesson's objectives. Next, keeps lessons organized. Teachers can prepare lessons in the right order. So teachers should prepare their lessons ahead of time. Since class time is limited, especially in DepEd, lessons should taught in the proper sequence. Being organized helps the lessons flow smoothly and avoid wasting time. Next, third, improves student learning. So lessons become more effective and easier to understand. So when lessons are well organized, students can follow the discussion more easily. They understand the topics better, making learning more effective and meaningful. Fourth, saves time. Teachers are well prepared and can manage their classes better. So being prepared saves time because teachers already know what activities and lessons to do. So this allows us to manage the class efficiently and use limited class time wisely. 5. Ensures fairness. So all students receive the same essential learning opportunities. So curriculum planning ensures that every student is taught the same important lessons. This gives all learners an equal opportunity to gain the knowledge and skills they need. So, in conclusion, curriculum planning is important because it helps teachers teach effectively and helps students learn successfully. Without proper planning, lessons may become confusing, unorganized, and less effective. So that would be all. Thank you.